How to make money online as a teen in 2020 is coming up next. Hey guys, this is Ankit, and in this video I will share some legit ways to make money online. Now, I am not a teen, but at that time I always had a dream to make money online. So after a lot of struggle, I found some of the genuine ways from where I finally made some money. We will be dividing this video into two parts. The first one will be active income source and another will be passive one. The active one is that you work for someone and get the money. It is easy and fast, and the more you work, the more you make money. Whereas in passive, you work but initially you won't make anything or very less income, but later with the time your work start giving you money. Your earnings will increase and you will be making money while you sleep. The first website to earn active income as a teen is Qmee.com. It's a website where you will be talking with non-native people who wants to learn English just like me, and you will be earning $10 per hour. To get started, search on Google Qmee tutor sign up. After that, click on the first link. Now, as you can see on Qmee, they are paying $10 per hour and you will get payout using PayPal. Now, you can use your Google, Apple or email account to sign up to this website. And after filling the basic details like why you are on this website, you are ready to make some money online with Qmee. If you are good at fashion and music, then Slice the Pie is the perfect option for you, where you will get paid for your opinions. For music, I got 18 cents, whereas reviewing the design gave me 6 cents. However, the rate varies from song to song. So make sure to maintain the quality as they will be rating you, and if the ratings will be low, then they may pay you lower. All the links are provided in the description, so you can check them out. The other website which can give you $10 for every review is Try My UI. Here you will have to review websites and apps, and you have to say what you think about them out loud from your mouth, because they give you a recorder which will be recording your screen and your microphone. So if you passed their test, then you will be given tasks. Now, if you are not comfortable with speaking out your thoughts, then you can transcribe a video and earn some money. But here as well, you need to pass the test. Remember, every legit thing will test you, and as on the other side, there are people who pay the website to get their work done. Just like Transcribe Me, there is another website called rev.com. In these websites, you will be paid for foreign subtitles, captions and adding transcription. And personally, I will be trying these websites and will review later on this channel. And you can get paid up to $2,000 a month. But initially, you will be earning around $250 a month as a beginner. Now, if you are bad at typing for people, then there is another website which will make money. This website is called Squad Help. Here you will get paid to suggest amazing brand names, taglines and logo designs. You just need to sign up on squadhelp.com, but initially you will have to give them $10 to activate your account. If you are the person who wants to earn money by doing surveys and other stuff, then Zoombuck, Qmee.com, iRazoo, these are the websites for you. But all these are lowest paid, and I personally felt that these websites are a waste of time for teens, because when I was a teen, I was working for 1 year at a pay-to-click website where they provide ads, and for 1 year I make $2 only. But that was my first ever income from the internet. Now let's talk about the options. If you are skilled at something and want to make money off that, then here are 2 websites that will pay for your services. These are Fiverr and Upwork.com. Fiverr.com will pay you for logo design, WordPress, voiceover, illustration, translation, and a lot of other stuff. However, in Upwork you will find web development, design, writing, customer service, admin support, and a lot more. And these are the trusted websites which are being used worldwide. So if you have the skills, then you can start right now. But if you don't, then there is a website called skillshare.com where you can learn a lot of new cool things which you want to. And talking about the next method of earning money online is skillshare.com. If you are skilled at something and want to share this with the world, then you can become a teacher at skillshare.com. And just like Skillshare, there's another website called udemy.com. Here, this also works like Skillshare, and people make more than $100,000 per year from this website. Now, I will be talking how I made money from the internet. So, these are the passive income ways which initially took some time to grow, but after some time I started earning money. So the first method is YouTube. Right now I am making a video, and this video will make money for me day and night. Even sharing your skill at Skillshare and Udemy are also passive income source. In these methods you have to work hard initially, but later the results are awesome. On YouTube, I will recommend you to make videos on topics which you like the most. For example, if you are a traveler and you travels a lot, then you must make videos about your journey, and make sure that your channel only upload videos regarding travel. Don't mix it, otherwise the potential of your channel will degrade. For example, in my case, this is a how-to channel, so I keeps on uploading how to this and that which are not related to each other. So that is the biggest mistake which I had done, but don't you repeat that. To get successful early on YouTube, you need to create an interest-based stuff which must be useful to the viewers. And the first income will be from Google Adsense, which gets approved after 1,000 subscribers and 4K hours of watch time on your channel. So this is my analytics, and as you can see, initially I didn't make any money from YouTube AdSense, but when videos started ranking, I started earning money, which is kind of cool. And right now the situation is that even I don't make videos, I will easily earn up to $200 per month. Always keep that in mind, that you have to create a useful content. Before continuing, if you are still with me and are getting value from this video, then share this video with your friends because it helps me grow. The next source of income from YouTube is sponsorships, where you will get paid to promote a service or a product. From YouTube, there is another income source that is called affiliate marketing. Here, first you have to sign up for Amazon affiliate or other websites affiliate, and then you can start promoting their products. And the amazing thing about them is that if someone purchases something within the 12 hours of clicking on your link, then you will earn some commission. Now, the method which made the most of money for me was print on demand. Here, you design stuff on various apparels and you make money out of it. This business is called print on demand. Now, there is a website called teespring.com which I used for selling the stuff online. It is a very easy website where you don't have to pay anything to run the website. Even initially, if you don't make any sales, you will not lose anything at all. Whereas the other people use Shopify, because later when I used Shopify, you have to pay for the subscription fee of Shopify, then you have to pay for the companies which will print apparels. So I will recommend you to use Teespring if you want to do it for free. To use Teespring, you first need to be a designer, a basic designer, not too complex. It's very basic and you can learn it online from YouTube, how to design t-shirt graphics. After that, you will need traffic sources, in which I had used Instagram. Now on Instagram, you will have to create an account which will be targeted on an interest. For example, here this account I'm showing you is in the aviation niche. Later, when this account will grow, I will be selling t-shirts related to aviation. But to grow Instagram account, you have to do some research on hashtags, and then you will approach people by following them. Now, to grow such a niche account, you need to keep on posting stuff every day and make sure to research on your interest. And after that, when your account will grow, you can either sell t-shirts or stuff from your Instagram account, or you can simply take sponsorships from other brands to market their stuff. That's the way you can make money from Instagram. This Instagram method will take 3 to 4 months to grow your account, but when it is grown, it can be very highly rewarding. Even you will just post 2 or 3 photographs for a day and you will be earning $1,000 to $3,000 per month, depending on your product and niche. After that, you can use the money to run Facebook ads. Now let's talk about the paid marketing stuff. Here you will need to have some money in your bank so that you can run ads. So these are the legit ways to make money online as a teen in 2020. Are you ready to make your first money online? If yes, let me know in comments which method will you prefer to make your first dollar. And if you found this video helpful, then hit like, click on share and subscribe to the channel, because now I will be sharing such kind of stuff more often. Thanks for watching and goodbye.